Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Porsche Cayenne Hybrid, E-Hybrid Platinum Edition. Look at this thing. Let's see. Make sure there's no water on the camera. Good to go. Look at this panoramic sunroof. Oh my god, I believe this is Guards Red? Bordeaux Red, okay. So, it's the window sticker for this one. E-Hybrid Platinum Edition, 3-liter turbocharged V6. Made it to the E-Machine. 455 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque. This is Carrera White, black with Bordeaux Red. Adaptive air suspension including PASM, sport design front fascia, heated steering wheel, the roof rails, exterior mirrors and door handles in gloss black, sport chrono, under door puddle lights, first year 10,000 mile maintenance, premium pack plus, and adaptive 18-way sports. Ooh, these are the 18 ways? Hey! Pretty nice, actually. Alright, so total sticker price of $111,750. So very nicely equipped. Where's my... There it is. One thing with German cars is leg support. So, I believe this is your sport chrono. This whole interface I haven't used yet, except in this one, and I love it. It's just good. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel button should be somewhere around here. Don't mind me, I don't know Porsche's button layouts, but it's whatever. Sport Plus will be in Sport. And to drive. I will say, this is a nice place to be. I haven't driven a brand new Cayenne. I've driven the Cayenne Coupe, but... Okay, I thought they honked at me. It's just the brakes. So if you push the middle of this button here, it gives you 20 seconds of sport response. It's gonna basically put this thing in attack mode. That's good. And then once you're just cruising, comfortable. It's luxurious. I could be in here for hours. All in all, I'm just impressed. I've never driven a bad Porsche. Plain and simple. I mean, I've been in one of these out on track, and they're just stupid good. Whoa. Nothing like some torque. You know what? I haven't tried this thing with paddles yet, so let's see. Let me put it into Sport Plus. Suspension drops down. I don't know, guys. Call me crazy, but Porsche's my favorite brand. Just for what they make. What a good car. What a good car. My goodness, what a good car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.